Hey, welcome back to another tutorial of Python, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about control flow, and the elements are break, continue statements, and else clauses on loops. So first we are going to take a list, which is my list, and inside the list we are going to take the values A, V, C, D, and E. And after that we are going to take a for statement for and in my list, and we are going to print all the values first. I think we don't need to print it. What we are going to do is, we have done conditional statement right before, so we are going to actually take a conditional statement inside the for statement. So we are going to say if n equals what should I say, if n equals D, then say, since we are gonna first work on break, I will show you guys what to do, but let's do something here. I think I will delete this first. We are gonna print the value of print n. So what could possibly happen here when we are going to run this? It will python.preg.py, and you can see that the values are being printed out, A, B, C, D, E. But we want to do something here. When the loop is happening, we want to stop into D or any other values as we want. To do this, we are gonna say if n equals D, we want this print n to be stopped when it is D. So we are gonna say if n equals D, we are gonna give the colon here, break. That's a quite interesting thing. Break actually breaks any loop. So when the loop will start, it will first print out all these values C until C. Then when the value will comes D, and this condition will be true, and this break will be executed and the loop will be exit, the value E won't be printed out anymore. Let's go and say python.preg.py. First save the file, your preg.py, and we are gonna run it. Now you can see that A, V, C are printed out, but D, E are not printed out. So that's the thing break does here. You can do another thing over here as well. I mean, if we give continue, what could possibly happen? Let's run this python.preg.py, and you can see that it's saying A, V, C, E. It's ignoring the value D. So what's happening here? I'm explaining it step by step. So when the iteration happening, it's first taking the A value, printing out, B value, printing out, C value, printing out, because it's this condition is not matching yet. But when it comes to D, it goes here and it says that it's true, and this continue executed, and this continue says, okay, nothing into this step will be printed out, just go back and print another step. So when it comes n equals D, it says, okay, that's it, go back again and print out another value, and this print n will not be executed for the D. So yeah, I think I would like to show you. If you go for C, also same thing happen, C won't be printed out. You can see that A, B, D, E, but C is not printed out. So this is how actually continue work. Right now we are going to do another thing, quite interesting thing that you don't see in any other programming language, which is else clause. Okay, first we are gonna take okay, that's it, is it? We are gonna keep it here. We will change this to D. So if we go and else block, so this else block with this one, which means that whenever this loop is finished or this loop is executed, the else block will be printed out for sure. Print,
'loop,
is done. So first, this loop will be done, or for statement will be finished. The loop will be happening inside, and after that, it will be this else block will be executed. Let's run it, and you can see that A, B, C, E. Since we are ignoring the D by giving the continuous statement, and it's directly printing out until E, and the loop is done is printing out. You know, we can actually exit this else block as well. To do this, we simply just say break here. So if we say break here when is D, then it will actually break the entire for block with the else statement, and yeah, that's it. Just go to another line and see for another code. So let's run it. If you run it, you can see that it's saying ABC, and it breaks the entire loop, and the loop is done, is not printed out anymore. Okay guys, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you guys understood it. If you don't, just comment into the comment section. I will try my best to help you out, and see you into the next tutorial. Bye.